Hello everyone, welcome to R programming tutorials. So in this video we are going to discuss about the introduction of R programming, means what is R programming and what is the importance of R programming, that we will discuss here. Let's getting into our introduction to R programming course. The first thing, it is a popular programming language for statistical computing and graphical presentation. So we have many programming languages like Python and Java. We have many high-level programming languages, but R is most popular for statistical computing operations and also for graphical presentations. Like we can represent the data in the form of graphs, different type of graphs. And it mostly common use is to analyze and visualize the data. So to analyze the data and to visualize the data in the different graphs, so we have to use this R programming. And who has been invented this R programming is Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman, and at the University of Auckland, and developed by the R development core team. So actually this R language is platform independent, which means that so you use different platform like different processor and different operating system and write the code, and the same code that will be executed in another platform. So that is what we call it as platform independent. And the next one is the open source software. So here R programming is a open source software that we can download from the internet and from the official website of our community, and we can install in our computers, and we can write the code easily. And it has been evolved since its conception in 1992, but its first version has been released in the year of 2000, right? Now let's see what is the use of R. So before getting into learn about R programming, what is the main user and what is the main intention to learn the R programming is we have to learn. Normally it is a great resource for data analysis. For example, now we have huge amount of data. Suppose you take any supermarkets or you take any manufacturing units. So to analyze the data, we have to use R programming, also for visual representation of data. Also, we use this R programming to implement the data science algorithms and machine learning algorithms, like supervised algorithms and unsupervised learning algorithms. We use this R programming. And also it provides many statistical techniques like classification and clustering and reduction and different type of statistical tests that can be implemented by use this R programming. And also it is easy to draw the graphs, and also we have to we can draw by different charts by using our programming, like pie charts and histograms and line chart and scatter plots and box plots, different type of graphs that we can draw by using an R programming. And also it works on different platforms like Windows operating system, also in Mac operating system or Linux operating system. So these three are the most popular operating systems that we are using currently. And as we already discussed, it is an open source software and it is available freely in the internet that we can download from the internet. And one more main thing is it has a large community support. If you have any doubts and if you want to learn the R programming, that we can learn from the R large community support. That is the main advantage of R programming. Also, it is going to support many packages. Package means different types of libraries and different type of inbuilt functions. So to solve the different problems. So this is the main use of R program. Now we have to understand how to install an R programming. So to install an R programming, what you have to do is you have to open this particular website, cloud.r-project.org. You just click on that particular website and download the latest version of R programming for Windows or Mac or Linux. It is available in all all three platforms. We can download it. Even I will show you one video how to download and how to install. And here the latest release of R programming is R 4.4.1, and it was released in June 14, 2024. This is the latest version of R programming. And when we see in different programming languages like Python and Java, we have different IDE environments, which means that integrated development environments. In the same way, to write an R code and to develop different applications, so we have an IDE environment, that is R Studio. R Studio, it is an integrated development to write the R code. So you know what is IDE? IDE is providing the GUI environment, and we can write different types of code, and we can see the results, and different type of graphs and statistical information that we will get by using the R programming. R Studio is available in both open source and commercial software. It has been available in both. Either it is open source and also available for commercial software. And as an academic students, you can download the R Studio open source software and you can install it. And also it is available in desktop applications and in desktop computers, also for available in server computers also. So this R Studio is available for desktop computers like homely computer labs computers, or for server computers also it is available. To manage huge amount of data, we will use server computers. So those versions also available for R Studio. And it is also available for different platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. So these are the R Studio IDE environment and R code. Now let us understand, before getting into R programming, we need to understand interesting facts about the R programming. What are the interesting facts is, and it is a procedural programming and object oriented programming. What is meant by procedural programming is, it is going to support different types of variables and functions and inbuilt functions and user defined functions. So we are writing in the form of functions, that is procedural programming. And object oriented programming, also it is going to support the object oriented OOPS concepts like class and object and so on. So this is one fact about R programming. And it is an interpreted language instead of compiled language. When you see C++, Java is a compiled programming language, and Python is interpreted programming language. And here R is also an interpreted programming language. So here debugging is fast because the interpreter converts the program line by line, and the debugging is very fast in an interpreted programming language. So this is another fact. Also we can host interactive web apps, and we can develop different web applications by using a few lines of code, by using the Flex dashboard package. So we have to use a inbuilt package. The inbuilt package name is Flex dashboard package. So to create the interactive web applications by using different with a few lines of code. So this is another fact. Also we can build application programming interfaces by using the Plumber package. The Plumber package, it is also an inbuilt R package, so which is used to create different web APIs and create the different applications. These are the different interesting facts about the R. So this is the introduction about the R programming. So thank you everyone.